Ever wanted to extract text from an image or a PDF quickly and effortlessly? Let me show you how. Start by downloading Microsoft PowerToys from either the official website or the Microsoft Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll see a list of features on the left-hand side. Navigate to System, Tools, and select Text Extractor. Enable it by clicking the toggle switch. Now, go to any window, image, or file that contains the text you want to extract. Press Windows plus Shift plus T, and your screen will dim. Use your mouse to draw a rectangle around the text you need. As soon as you release the mouse button, the selected text is automatically copied to your clipboard. Then just paste it wherever you need, into a document, a message, or a note. As you can see, it works flawlessly. The text is instantly extracted, even from areas that don't normally allow copying. Whether you're working with screenshots, scanned PDFs, or locked applications, this method gets the job done in seconds with zero hassle. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.